Discover this stunning home in the highly desirable Applegate Trails neighborhood, within the award-winning Portage Schools District, Texas TWP. Built with quality in mind, this home features 2x6 exterior walls, craftsman trim, and durable LVP and tile flooring. The bright, open floor plan is perfect for modern living, boasting an oversized great room that flows seamlessly into the dining area and a chef's kitchen. Highlights include white cabinetry, granite countertops with a spacious island, a farm sink with touch faucet, and upgraded stainless steel appliances. 2020. A versatile den with French doors and a walk-in closet offers potential for a main floor bedroom, while a dedicated tech center provides a convenient workspace. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite features a luxurious ensuite bathroom and a large walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms, all freshly painted, offer ample space and storage. Enjoy the convenience of an upper-level laundry and a fully insulated, plumbed basement ready for your finishing touches. Outside, a fenced backyard with an extended patio, irrigation, and playset provides the perfect space for outdoor enjoyment.